All right, everybody, welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be diving into some listener submitted material.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, this looks really fascinating, actually.
Mhm.
This is about GSA contracts.
Okay.
So, our listeners sent over some materials from a company called MarketUS, and they seem to specialize in helping businesses navigate the process of securing a GSA contract. So maybe we should start with the basics.
Yeah.
What exactly is a GSA contract?
With a GSA contract, or more formally, it's called a multiple award schedule, or MAS contract.
Yep.
It's essentially an agreement with the U.S. federal government that allows businesses to sell their products or services directly to government agencies.
Directly.
Yeah, so it kind of streamlines the whole procurement process.
Oh, okay. So like a pre-approval kind of thing.
Exactly. It's like a pre-approved vendor status. So government agencies can easily find and purchase what they need from businesses that already have this GSA schedule contract.
That makes sense, I guess. But like, why would a company even bother going through all the trouble of getting one of these GSA contracts?
That's a great question. I mean, think about it. You're basically getting access to a massive and very reliable customer, right? The U.S. government.
That's true.
With a GSA schedule, it's much easier to win government contracts and tap into this huge market.
That's it.
Plus, it gives your company a lot of credibility. You know, it's a sign that you meet certain standards and can be trusted to deliver.
Yeah, like a seal of approval almost.
Right, exactly.
And you know what's interesting is MarketUS lists some pretty big names as their clients, like Harvard, Yahoo, and Hyundai.
Well,
Those are not small players.
yeah,
They obviously see the value in this.
absolutely. They understand the potential of having a GSA contract and the doors it can open.
And they mentioned B plus in contract awards, like billions of dollars
Yeah.
worth of contracts. It's huge.
Yeah, it speaks volumes about the scale of opportunity here.
It really does. So let's dive into some of the services that MarketUS offers on their website. They have this do-it-yourself GSA contract option for $997.
Okay.
What do you think that might entail?
Well, for that price, I would assume it provides a comprehensive set of resources and guidance to help businesses navigate the application process on their own.
Okay.
You know, things like templates, checklists, maybe even some sample proposals.
Yeah.
They also mention optional support. So maybe there's like a helpline or email support for those who might get stuck or need a little extra assistance.
So you could get a DIY it, but have somebody to call if you get in trouble.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. Then they have a done-for-you GSA contract option for $6,000. So I imagine that's for businesses who want the full hands-on service.
I would say so, yeah. It seems like a premium package where MarketUS takes care of the entire GSA contract application process from start to finish.
So less stress for the business.
For sure, they handle all the paperwork, the submissions, the follow-ups, everything.
And that package includes something called a live stream interview.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, I wonder what that's all about.
I'm not entirely sure, but it could be an opportunity for businesses to present themselves virtually to potential government buyers.
So kind of like a pitch meeting.
Yeah, like a live stream pitch meeting where they can showcase their expertise and highlight why they would be a valuable vendor for the government.
That's a really cool idea. Now, for companies that already have a GSA contract in place, they offer a GSA contract maintenance package for $5,000,
Makes sense.
which includes unlimited modifications and unlimited GSA consultation.
Yeah, you know, maintaining a GSA contract is not a one-time thing.
Right.
Regulations change, your business offerings might evolve, so it's important to keep your contract up to date. This package probably ensures that your contract remains compliant and continues to work for your business.
And they also have this live stream production service listed separately. So do you think that's specifically for GSA stuff, or could it be for other purposes?
I would imagine they offer it as a standalone service too.
Okay.
Businesses are using live streaming for so many things these days, like product launches, webinars, internal training.
Makes sense.
So it could be a way for MarketUS to help businesses leverage the power of live streaming for various purposes.
Okay, so it sounds like there are a lot of different ways to approach this whole GSA contract thing.
Definitely.
And MarketUS seems to have options for everyone you know, whether you want to do it yourself or have someone else handle it for you.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I think the key takeaway here is that GSA contract can be a really powerful tool
Absolutely.
for businesses that want to get into the federal market.
And with the right strategy and support, it's definitely achievable.
So what advice would you give to a business that's considering pursuing a GSA contract?
Well, I think the first step is to really assess your own capabilities and resources. Do you have the time and expertise to handle the application process yourself? Or would you benefit from some expert guidance?
Right.
And then think about your long-term goals. How important is it for you to secure government contracts? Once you have a clear understanding of your needs and goals, you can choose the approach that best aligns with your business.
I think that's a great place to leave it. So thanks for joining us on the deep dive today.
It was fun.
And to our listeners, thanks for sending in this fascinating material about MarketUS and GSA contracts. We hope this has given you some insights and maybe even inspired you to explore this opportunity further. Until next time, keep on diving.